For the pattern, 4, 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. We will write 4, another 4. First is 4, so it should vary from 4 to 4. Then 4, 3, so 4, 3. 4, 3, 2, so 4 to 2. 4, 3, 2, 1, so 4 to 1. Then we will write I equals to 4. Since the number is bigger, therefore it will be I greater than equals to I minus minus. Printf %d I. Printf /n. In this place, we will write j. First value is 4, last value is 1. So j equals to 4, j greater than equals to 1, j minus minus. So final code will be j equals to 4, j greater than equals to 1, j minus minus. I equals to 4, I greater than equals to j, I minus minus. Printf %d I, printf /n. That's it.